In this video, I will be showing you how to use gesture on Google Pixel 9. First, going home. To go to your home screen, simply swipe up from the bottom of the screen. Second one, going back. To go back, swipe invert from either left side or the right side of the screen. This will take you back to previous screen. Third one, accessing Task Manager. To view your recent apps, swipe up and hold from the bottom of the screen. This will open the Task Manager where you can see and switch between apps. You can also remove background apps by swiping them up. If you scroll to the leftmost side of the Task Manager, you will find the option to clear all tasks at once, removing all running apps. Fourth one, quickly switch between apps. To quickly switch between your open apps, swipe left or right along the bottom of the screen. This will slide you directly to the next app without opening the Task Manager. And that's it. This gesture makes navigating your Google Pixel 9 fast and easy. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.